Something, yes, open it, brother. Is it some? Miniragna nix. Guys are Chiefs! Hey, brother! You want? You see? Guys are Chiefs! Guys are Chiefs is like somebody waiting for salary. When they open envelope, nothing, brother! Chaos, brother! On Friday. The team is going to camp on Friday, and then Saturday they come to the game. Every man who supported Orlando Pirates, let's do the same. Let's camp. Sing untouchable mama. Sing untouchable mama. Please, guys. Let's do the same. What one person is doing.
My leader.
You say you have a message. What's your message?
Yeah, my leader. Look, man, I'm the first one to say this.
Yes.
Bagania are going to win the league.
Yeah?
They will win the Betway Premiership. It's been long, but it's coming.
So the Pirates will win the league?
No, Pirates will win the league, obviously, for obvious reasons. Domination, the quality that they have, both in the starting 11 and the bench. My leader, the team is complete. It's a complete team. They know how to win games. They are doing so well. Count how many wins they've had now. Count how many in the league. So it's theirs to lose.
Nihola amamiliyoni, nilala emahhotela, nigqoka impahla zamahala, nidrive imoto zamahala, niyamasajwa, yes, niyamasajwa. Anishoti ngalutho, okwenje ukhahlela ibhola. Yini lenidlalayo? Indaba nibukise ngathi. Kwalo coach lo khona njengamanje wayezotranslate. Usayacoacha manje. Ungathatha umuntu ozotranslate umenze ucoach. Kanjani Mtawungu? Kanjani? Ayiqalwe phansi le team yonke ayiqalwe phansi, ayikho lento. Ayivalwe le season, qalwe phansi team. Ngeke sikhathele.
Oh, it's very, very, very quiet. Yes, people, we are back again, back with another video. And yes, I want to talk about it. Let's talk about it. Orlando Pirates 1, Polokwane City Zilch 0. Nothing. They left Orlando with nothing. We left with Orlando 3 points on the bag, third on the log, 1 game in hand over a Sundowns. We've got 1 game in hand over a Sundowns. No, in fact, it's 2. It's actually 2 games in hand. We win those 2 games, we are 3 points ahead of the Sundowns. But let's talk about the positives. Orlando Pirates 1, Polokwane City 0. Frustrating game in terms of chances created. We cannot finish our dinner. You get served a full meal, but we cannot finish it. Izolo, last night we had chances. Mahopa hit the bar. Apolis didn't have his shooting boots on. Muremi missed a sitter, but he scored. The only goal that mattered, 3 points, it's all that matters. Agonandaba, we going forward. Personally, for me, Amachita Katakabang Saturday. That's where people are locked in. Even the fans, even myself. This game I knew we were going to win, but the way we were playing, Amachita Ingondo Yabo on Saturday. We remember 3-0. We've got to score 3 goals in Orlando. Maximum 3 goals. Take this game to extra time. I don't care. In terms of the game against Polokwane City, changes were made, bafethu. We saw Undlozi at left back for Uhoto. Siema came back for Usibisi. Who else played? Who else came in that game? Oh, Tito. Tito came in for MasterChef. He was not there at all. I don't know what happened. Is he injured, or was he rested, or was he suspended? I don't know. But Tito, I give credit where it's due, bafethu. These are the type of games for Tito Masangwani. Game wakhe lawo. Let's be honest. Mdlalise against Lupopo Saturday, you will see he will struggle. But these games, afanela yena uTito, he can easily lock in the game. He can easily unlock the defense. All of my teams are PSL, especially my teams lawa who don't usually attack when they come to Orlando, or who they play when they play Pirates. Tito game wakhe lawo. But I'm telling you now, bafethu, don't get overwhelmed by performance of Tito. He does not start on Saturday. MasterChef has to start. If MasterChef is not available, cool, you can start with Tito. But if he is available, MasterChef, nyanicela. Akaqala MasterChef. It's suited for him le game le. Yeah, he started the game Saturday last. But he's suited for the game, especially at home, Usipumbule. Especially at home, he has to start the game. Utito for me now, I'm sorry. Hlale benchini, if I impact player, cool. I'm happy with everything. Apolis on the right hand side, Umuremi on the left hand side. I said it and I'll say it again. Umuremi is better on that left hand side. Ngenyawo lakhe, where he can use inyawo lakhe properly. He can cross properly, he can shoot properly. Because Nagaga left, when he's on the right hand side, in wrong, he wants to cut in. Melashama cross. In terms of wrong. But you know what I mean. He's better on that side to Murem. Keep playing there. Umfukengi was not on the game. Ageke came in. Not on the bench. He's still injured. We don't know. TLP back to his best. Umfana kade bamfikele kule viki leli ngoba kade kuphuma ama clip kancane about TLP. Abantu bakhala ngo TLP but hey, he got handled in Congo. Psych. He's back to his back. He was back in his best. Armband on his hand. Saturday, do I start Usiema or with Umbogazi, or do I start Umbogazi with Usibisi? Personally, I'm starting Usibisi. Experience. I'm hoping I'm wrong, but I think he's gonna start Usibisi with Umbogazi because experience, and they've played for Ibafana Boitula Wantulava. So it's not going to be cut and dry, cut and dry. Yeah, happy with the result. We go forward. Asnandaba, frustrating game, yes. Could we have scored more? Yes. Did we win the game? Yes. Now on to Saturday. Now let's talk about the enemy. Kaizer Chiefs. Batrowile bafethu. See, aboko wini since August labantu laba bafethu. Abana coach. Abanani, they don't have a striker. Abanani, they don't have a midfield. Abana confidence. Like Kaizer Chiefs all over the gap, but everywhere. But this is an Orlando Pirates fan cam. I'm not gonna dwell much about them. Fan cam. But as I said, 1-0, I take it. Third on the log. We are in a title race, Bafethu. Sundowns is shang at 3 points. We've got 2 games in hand over Sundowns. We win those 2 games, we are 3 points clear. Remember, this is not a sprint, it's a marathon. And it's a marathon that I want to win with all my heart. So, Orlando Pirates, Saturday in Zanumsebenzi, do the job. 3 goals, what is required. If you can score the 4th goal, magnificent. Nizonibona Saturday wafethu. The fan camp will be out. please ngakhohlwa like the video, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to your boy Sabelo Umfana Kamdluli. If you want to comment down below. All is well. Ngizonibona Saturday bafethu. 3 points.